Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you are watching me. And I am making this video after very long because there's no reason that whatever I say is going to be an excuse. But anyways, I have been living and working in Bangkok for 3 years now. This is going to be my third year here, and for the last 2 years I was living in a different state and not in Bangkok, so I did not make any video as such. And I'm going to start making more since I recently moved here. So for the first video I am going to do a home tour. I am living in a townhouse, as they call it here. It is inside a society, like a big society. You can see around, I'm in a society, and this is like the locality here. It's very nice here. There are houses for rent and people also, like the owners also live here, and these are the kind of houses. And this is the house I am living in. These are my friend's cars. We actually have 3 cars, and these are the 2 cars, 1 bike. And let's go and show you my house. This is like the front porch area where we have tables. We sometimes eat out where we do barbecue, and there is our barbecue setup behind the car. So let's go inside. And we have a dog here. His name is Shadow. And this is our living room, living dining room, and all the furniture that you see here are bought by us and not the renters. This is the TV cabinet area. There's a lot of storage here, and this is the sofa and our coffee table, and that's my roommate. She is Thai. And then we also have a cat, which is Vinny's cat, and then we have a cat tree for him. And this is the dining area and everything. And we have upstairs there. I will take you to upstairs. But before this is the kitchen. We cook a lot, and right now we made potato, aloo matar, and we will be having that for dinner. We did not get any appliances, just the chimney, and everything here we bought by ourselves. We have coffee machine and everything that you see here are bought by us. And this is the only thing they gave, this and the chimney. And yeah, that's the kitchen. And this is the, I don't know what to say, the back door. This is where we keep our temple. Here is our Bhagwan. And then this is the, how to say, the backyard? Not backyard, but this we use as a laundry. I think it is supposed to be a sunroom because it's glass on the top. The roof is made of glass for the sunlight, but we use it as laundry room. And we have also, because less storage, we have a cupboard and the makeup thingy. It's very messy, so let's not see a lot. Let's go upstairs. And then so here upstairs there are 3 rooms in total. This is the master bedroom. This is the washroom, the upstairs washroom, and there are 2 rooms here. This is like room number 1. We generally use this for movies and everything. As you can see, the projector and everything is on here. And this is room number 2, which is very messy, so I don't want to show it. And this is the master bedroom, where we have, it's a big room, and we have a couch and the biggest wardrobe here, which we share. And then this side we have the computer table set up. This is the setup for our cat, and our cat is there. His name is Daya. And as you can see, this is Shadow, and this is our bed, the biggest bed here. I use the master bedroom, of course. And there's a lot of sunlight here, as you can see, and everything is bought by us. We also have a balcony. I'll show you the balcony. It's not very big, but it gets the job done of a balcony. Right now it's raining, so we're not going outside. This is the view from the balcony. Currently it's raining, so during the monsoon we don't use the balcony a lot. That's it. Let's go downstairs or here. So I'm gonna tell you everything about how much is the rent and everything, and also about what I do here It's very hot. So the furniture we bought here was worth 100,000 baht, and we bought it on EMI, of course, which included like 3 beds, 2 couches, 1 dining table. Like it was a 4-seater. It is a 4-seater dining table, and what else? 1 coffee table, fridge, microwave, toaster, air fryer, coffee machines. 3 mattresses. This mattress that I got for my room is actually very expensive. This mattress is actually 10,000 baht. The mattresses here are really expensive, but this was a really good quality, and this is also like a big investment. This is also like 10,000 baht. I will make if you are interested, you can tell me. I will make a list of all the furnitures and their prices in details. And the best part about this house is actually the owners, they also had like, they have 11 cats. So we have got a very cute little cat door, so it's easy for them to go out and about. And there we have a very special pillow, which is Daya's face, the cat's face. And there, that's the house. I'm going to make a lot of videos related to my job, to my lifestyle here in Bangkok, and the other things that I do here. And to say about this house, the rent of this house is 25,000 baht, and we have like AC in each room, and then downstairs, so 4 ACs in total. And then our electricity bill sometimes is 5,000, sometimes it's 7,500. The average is like from 4,500 to 7,500. It depends on the weather. Yeah, that's the electricity bill here. We also get a water bill, which is not very high. These are the 3 bills we pay for the house: the rent, the electricity, and the water. And then our expenses include mostly food expenses and petrol expenses. As you can see, I am living a pretty good life here in Bangkok. Before, I actually used to work in a different province or state, as we say. It was like a more rural area, so I did not used to make a lot of videos there. And after like 2 years of working there, recently I moved to Bangkok. So for now, I am working in Ministry of Education. It's a local Ministry of Education. It's a government job, but it's actually contractual. So if there are people who want to move to Thailand or move to Bangkok for work or for studies, because my friends are actually studying here, they're getting their MBAs here, which is relatively cheaper than India and also easy to get. The degree is actually more beneficial, and I can help. It's not very easy to move here, but it's not very hard also. If you try, like, you can. I have some connections and I can tell you the way if you want to move here in Thailand. So yeah, as you can see, after like it took me a year to settle down properly, and now I'm living a quite good lifestyle, and I'm, yeah, fingers crossed, I am in a good place now. Yeah, so if you are interested, you can comment down below if you want to move, or if you want to know any information about how to move or how did I move here and everything. I will help you out. You can comment down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. From now on, I'm going to try to make a lot of shorts regularly to show my everyday life. I hope you will watch it. I have been MIA for a very long time, but I am planning to make videos every day to show like what I do, how before I go to office, after I come back from my work. And yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and please comment down below if you want to say, ask something, or how did you like this video, or what kind of other videos do you want me to make. So that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye.